Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching us how to use the multi-level lesson planner to generate lesson notes, lesson plan, worksheets, okay, your assessment and the rest. So this is my landing page. You can see gmind.ai. Okay, I'm just going to come here, teaching tools, and I scroll down to multi-level lesson planner. Okay, so I'm going to be providing some information. You can see select preferred curriculum. So let's choose the British curriculum. Then grade level, I'm going to be teaching 7th grade, that's GS1. So the subject, I'm going to be teaching English. Okay, so I'm going to be using this for my English. Okay, what's the topic? So I can say now. Okay, then link to resources. Let's get a link. So I can just go to hello. Okay, so I can just select this particular one, English listening lesson, and I'm going to be choosing the URL here, copy, and I paste here. Okay, upload any resources. Okay, let's see if I can upload the resources from here. Downloads. You can see documents. Now, do I have anything on now? Yeah, verb. Okay, let's see if we have any documents here on now. Okay, so I can see like summary notes on verb. So let's choose this and let's change our topic to verb since we have something on verb. Okay, I'm going to scroll down and I click on browse instructional mode. So let's use the flipped classroom template. Okay, and I click on get started. Now it says goal and objective. So I'm going to be using Gmind AI to generate this. Okay, so it's generating my goals. So I'll click down, and how many minutes? 40 minutes. Lesson procedure, I'm going to be using Gmind AI to generate this too. Okay, first term, week, say 1, and I click on continue. So it brings me down here, assignments and homework. I'm going to be using Gmind AI to generate this one. So you can see my homework and assignment here. Extension and enrichment, I will use Gmind AI to generate this. So you can see my extension and enrichment here. Once it's done generating, I click on generate plan. Analyzing your curriculum selection. So let's just sit tight and wait while our content is loading. Incorporating instructional model, generating engaging content. Voila! Now this is our lesson plan for English. You can see the topic is verb. So this is what it looks like. Now can you see the sites where we entered the URL? Okay, so this is what it looks like. So if I want to edit, I can come here and say open editor. I will edit here. If I want to download, I click on download. If I want to copy or share. So quickly, let's go to lesson notes. I'm going to use my lesson notes, my lesson generator. And I can see my lesson note generator on the understanding verbs, types of verbs, action verbs, linking verbs, additional resources. Okay, so I can also generate worksheets. I click on worksheet generator. Okay, you can see my worksheet is being generated. So this is the multi-level lesson planner, very nice. Fill in the gap, multi-choice. You can see my worksheet. Wow, it's been generated. Then the next thing I want to generate is my assessment. I click on assessment and I click on number of questions. I can say multi-choice. I say 2, true and false, I say 2, short answer, maybe 2, fill in the gap, okay, 2. So in total we have, let me make this one 4, so we have 10 questions. Okay, so I'm going to write 10 questions here, and once I'm done, I scroll down and I click on generate assessment. Okay, so this is 2 4 6 8 10. Okay, so I didn't put 10. Okay, so I'm going to go back again, generate assessment, and my assessment is generating 10 questions. The teacher asks the student. So that is how to use your assessment generator. So you can see lesson 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 questions. So if I want to download, I come here and I say download. So I can download with PDF, Word document, or I can save to Workspace library. So the last thing I'll be teaching you guys is how to use the multi-level lesson planner to generate learning activity for my learner. So I click on the learning activity generator and I'm going to generate using the lesson planner. So this is how my lesson will go. Can we see that? Isn't this beautiful? So if you're not using the multi-level lesson planner today, I don't know what you're waiting for. So this is what it is. It is so beautiful. It helps you to do your work smartly. Now if I want to edit, I can come here and click on edit and I edit whatever I have here. And see, I can add things. Okay, I can add page, I can add anything I want to add. Okay, so I go back and that is it. So I hope this video was helpful. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.